Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this really cheap and cute recipe binder I made. You can find all these printables online. I'm sorry I forgot to save the links, but you can find them easily by going to Pinterest and just typing in recipe binder printables. Here's my nice cover. Here's my binder. You can get these pretty cheap about everywhere. I like to get mine at the Dollar Tree. And mine starts out with my substitute list. This actually came with some of my printable software I found online. It talks about like how to substitute one thing for another when you run out. That saves me a lot of trouble because I always seem to be running out of something and how to run to the grocery store. And here's dividers for different types of meals. And a lot of them have free printables where you can make little tabs for the side, but I kind of prefer mine without. You can even have like store-bought tabs, but this is just the way I decided to keep mine. Here's a few recipes I have, and I put some sticky notes in here to mark what I want to make pretty soon. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump to the back. And in case you can't tell, this is just clear little sheet protectors in here. It keeps things from getting stained, makes it easy to view. In the back, I keep my extra sheet protectors. You can get these pretty cheap too. I got almost all mine at the Dollar Tree for $1. In the back, I keep spare recipe sheets. I found these online, and I have a note right here to save the last one to make copies of. It's like a master copy. You can also just save the file, but this is a lot easier for me. And this is where I also keep the extra dividers for things I really don't have recipes for right now. And here's one I filled out. And I really do like this. I managed to get it half full so far. I really think this is an amazing gift if you have a teenager about to go off to college, or if you want to make something cute for a friend. I would put like a few family recipes in here to get them started. It's very inexpensive to make these, and you can customize them in any kind of way you want. You can put more money into it and get a nice, beautiful binder. You can get like full color dividers in here. I printed mine off at the school library, so that's why they're in black and white, but it doesn't matter to me. I like gray, but a lot of people might like teal or pink or whatever. You could even put like little cute scrapbooking stickers in here if you wanted to. There's just no limit to how you can customize these and make them look amazing. Alright, thank you for watching this video, everyone. Comment below if you have anything else you'd like to see. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button. Alright, have a great day, y'all.